Hi everyone. Today we are diving into a wood of TikTok advertising and learning how to set up the TikTok pixel on your WordPress website using Google Tag Manager. If you are looking to track conversion, optimize ad delivery, and gain valuable insights into your TikTok campaigns, that is the video for you. So let's get started. This is a website which I want to implement the TikTok pixel. So we are going to the TikTok pixel manager. First thing first, what is the TikTok pixel? Well, it's a powerful tool that allows you to track the actions users take on your website after interacting with your TikTok ads. It includes many things like your purchase event, donate form, sign-ups, any kind of form, and business goals. So, Ads Manager. Firstly, you will go to the TikTok Ad Manager. Here is the tools options and event. Click on it. Then here is a three options: app events, web events, and offline. We are working on with website, so and web applications. So go to the web events and manage button. Here is my previous some pixels. So we have set up a web event. We are going to the manual setup. So we are selected the manual setup radio button. Then next. Here is put on the pixel name. Then next. Confirm. And here we have to confirm that event API and custom code will be the tick mark. So go to the next and finish. Here is a funnel setup from survey, not necessary now. So here look at that. We are a pixel ID, TikTok pixel ID. We can store that, or we are using the this ID to connect our website with TikTok pixel. Now we are creating the Google Tag Manager account and container. Go to the Google Tag Manager and create account. Here is my company name, the marketize, locations. The locations will be according to your country. Here is a container setup. You have to put on the container name. Nice. After putting the container name, we are select the web, then create. Here is a some terms of service agreement. You have a time, then you can read it out. But in my case, I just tick the, I also accept the data processing terms. Then yes, this is our Google Tag Manager interface. That is the GTM code which we want to the implement on our website. Then click it and just copy the GTM code from this Google Tag Manager base code. Copy it, then go to our website. If you implementing the Google Tag Manager base code, you need a GTM plugins, which name is GTM4 WP. You have to install it. Then after installation process, then go to the settings. Here you have options to put the GTM code. This is my previous code. Then I put the new GTM code here, and container code would be on. Then save changes. Now we are go to the TikTok pixel for collecting a TikTok base code. Then go to the settings, scroll it, then find out the TikTok base code. Here is the base code. Copy pixel code, copy it, then Go to the Google Tag Manager and create a new tag. Here is the tags options, new, click on new. Tag configuration, here we need to the custom HTML tag. Paste it the base code, which we are copy from the TikTok pixel settings options, and triggering will be the all page because we are tracking the all of things in our websites. So all pages, we are selected all pages. Here is we have to put a name, TikTok base code. Save it. Then we have to the preview mode to check out the this base code is working or not. This is our site which I want to connect the base pixel. Connect that. Here is the two options you have to check out it. I have a TikTok pixel helper extension. You have not, then you can download it from the Google Chrome extension. If we are clicking the TikTok pixel helper, then look at that page view event is working. And here is our page URL, our website page URL. Then we go to our tag assistance. Then here the base code is working, the tag is fired well. So, and there you have it. You have successfully set up the TikTok pixel on your WordPress website using Google Tag Manager. Now you can start tracking variable user interactions and optimizing your TikTok ad campaigns for even better result. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.